Welcome to Play Tool, India's largest manufacturer of toys. Established in 1996, Play Tool is an ISO 9001 certified company based in New Delhi with a distribution network across India. Every year, Play Tool manufactures over 5 lakh toys that bring joy, movement, and happiness to children of different age groups. The process starts with the inward movement of raw material. Material is received, handled, and prepared before it reaches the production machines. Proper loading and preparation form the first stage of the manufacturing cycle. Inside the production area, different molding technologies are used for different product requirements. Injection molding helps produce precise plastic components with consistency and repeatability. These parts are used across several product categories, where shape, fit, and finish are important. Blow molding is used for hollow plastic parts and larger body forms. It helps create lightweight product bodies for toys, ride-on products, and play equipment. Rotto molding is used for larger plastic components such as big playstations, rockers, and large toy bodies. The process helps create strong, rounded, and child-friendly forms suitable for active play environments. Once the parts are formed, they move to body making and assembly. Large toys such as Harley-style bikes, magic cars, jeeps, tractors, and swings are assembled by skilled workers. Components are fitted, aligned, and completed to create finished products ready for use. The factory also includes dedicated machines for products such as balls and slides. These product-specific machines support Play Tool's wider manufacturing range. the showroom, the finished product range comes together. Slides, rockers, ride-on toys, playstations, classroom furniture and activity products are displayed as ready solutions for schools, play areas and indoor activity spaces. Before dispatch, products are checked, packed and prepared for movement. The final stage of the process ensures that products are ready for delivery and installation at customer locations. From raw material to molding, from assembly to packing, Playtool's manufacturing process brings together machinery, manpower and product variety to create play equipment for children's learning and activity environments. Playtool, manufacturing play equipment, school furniture and activity toys for schools, play zones and activity spaces. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, visit playtool.in.